Candid CBSE Chemistry Lab Manual for Class 10th. Requirements: test tube stand, dropper, test tube holder, dilute hydrochloric acid, dilute sodium hydroxide solution, dilute ethanoic acid, lemon juice, dilute sodium bicarbonate solution, pH paper strip booklet, universal indicator solution, distilled water, glazed white tile, standard pH color chart, and marker. Before we start the procedure, let us know about pH. What's the use of pH? pH is used to measure the strength of the solution. If pH is lesser than 7, then the solution is acidic in nature. If pH is greater than 7, then it is basic in nature. And if pH is equal to 7, then solution is neutral. Procedure: take 5 test tubes. In the first test tube, add about Requirements: test tube stand, dropper, test tube holder, dilute hydro. Before we start the procedure, let us know about pH.